Your display gives off blue light, which is at the color temperature of light that you see during the day. Lighting has both a physical and mental effect on your well-being. This blue light can keep you or someone else up at night. I'll show you how to work around this challenge on a Windows operating system. Press the Windows key and then the A key. You may need to click the Expand option to show all the feature tiles here. You can quickly switch on the nightlight feature from here, and the display's color temperature adjusts to show warmer colors at night that are more comfortable on your eyes. To schedule the nightlight, press the Windows key and then click Settings, which is the gear cog icon right here. Then click System. And the display option should be visible first. If not, click on the display section right here. Then click Nightlight Settings. Toggle here to schedule the nightlight. The default will turn the nightlight on at sunset and off at sunrise. Since these times vary each day, the feature will determine the appropriate times from the Microsoft servers. Now, if you prefer, there's an option here to set your own hours. And you're done. I hope you've benefited from today's gift. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share it with family, friends, and colleagues. Bye for now.